Everyone, how's it going? This is a Mudrex versus Coindcx video and which one you should invest in. Now, if you look at both of the websites, as you can see on a Mudrex, it's a crypto staking platform, all these things that you can see that it's 650 plus cryptocurrencies, things like that. It also supports futures. All these features are available for Mudrex, and as you can see that they also are showing that it's supported both on mobile phone and for Coindcx. As you can see, they're showing that you can join their affiliate program, you get points on bonus on coins volume, things like that, and it's showing you all these charts. But there's a huge catch. I wouldn't recommend you investing into either of these platforms. Mudrex, if we start with that, it has a huge number of complaints that people are depositing cryptocurrencies, but their account gets frozen and they do not get their investment back. And this is happening in a large volume. So many people are calling it a scam. So I wouldn't tell you to invest into Mudrex because, again, the cryptocurrencies are getting frozen. And for Coindcx, again, the same thing is happening. Once you invest into their platform, they are not giving you any sort of money back. They're saying that the amount of bitcoins that you're investing, things like that, these are getting hacked by the exchange. So none of these are in reality very much reliable platform. So I would say that go for a better crypto staking platform instead of going for these local platforms, because there are high chances that these are scams. So take my recommendation, don't go for any of them. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.